Today I have a small unboxing video. I ordered some silver from Provident Metals, a few ounces, a couple fractionals, I think a half ounce, and some silver quarters. From Provident Metals. Provident Metals. Whatever spare change I get during my week, I'll save up to the side. And after a month or two, I'll take that, count it up, and go out and buy some silver, order some silver, whichever. This is what I get here? 1 ounce, 2017, Australian silver, a rooster, year of the rooster, 2017. I got that, 2017 is the year of my son, the year my son was born. I had my eye on it for a while. I wanted to make sure that I grabbed it. Past few times it's been out of stock. Looks a little scuffed, but I think that's just the case. Yeah. Looks beautiful. Very clean. Good shine. As you see, 2017. 1 ounce of silver. 9999 purity. I thought it was just Canada that does it, but here we have 1987 American Eagle. 1987 was the year I was born. I think I have one in a proof box, but I want to stack them. Each of the coins are $1. I started collecting silver in, I think it was 2015. I had like $2,000 saved up, and I went out and I spent it on silver. One thing I've learned is that you can't listen to YouTube. All these people that try to predict the prices and what's going to happen got me very discouraged pretty quickly. 2016 was going to be the year of silver, and I think the prices went down, which I think I did buy, but I should have been. I was new to it, so I didn't know any better. There's a 2017 American Eagle, Walking Liberty. Again, 2017 for my son. I think a tube is 20 coins each, so I'm going to get 20 2017 and 20 of the 1987. I'm also working on a tube of Canadian coins. This is a 2024. Got King Charles. Canadian silver is $5 per coin, marked. It's got the fine silver, 4.9, 1 ounce silver. But the Canadian mint is $5, and U.S. silver coins are minted at $1. I believe the gold ounces are minted at $20. Provident Metals was running a little discount on random silver coins, half coins. So this was a random silver ounce, half ounce that I got. I'm not too sure of the country that is from. I didn't really look into the mint either. First Majestic. But I thought it had a interesting art to it, almost like an Aztec art, like a warrior or a tribe elder with a couple tablets and a snake. Interesting frame circle art around it. First Majestic. I'll have to look into them. 2023. Half ounce. I see mixed opinions on fractional silver. I've learned that it has its value. What you might pay in premium, you get back in practicality. If you ever plan to barter, fractionals really come in handy. You're not going to go out there with an ounce of gold and try to barter $2,000, or it's going to be more, $3,000, $4,000 worth of goods. Fractionals like goldbacks or junk silver are going to come. The practicality is going to really be there, so the premium is not going to be an issue if it ever comes down to actual use of the coin or the bill, whatever it may be. These are 1/10 ounce Indian silver rounds. I got 5 of them. They came to about $35, $36, a little bit over. But the 5 I figure is a good start. It's my first 10 pieces in silver. I have a few 1/10 ounces in gold, but this is my first 1/10 in silver. The sound of the coins is very unique with the addition of the silver. This was 4 quarters, just a random dollar's worth of silver. Could have been quarters, dimes, whatever. Well, the silver ones. 1960, 1960 again, 1964, and 1944. So that's a World War II quarter. Not that it has much value outside of the silver, but to me it's cool just for the history of it. 1944. Again, I think the fractionals are really going to find their value, outvalue the premium when it comes to actual use and bartering and personal tender. The 2017 Australian Rooster is probably my favorite coin of the lot. I have a few year of bars, but that was my favorite coin from the lot. This is just my $2 bill collection that I started recently. I had done it many times in the past, but I always seem to end up spending them. Now that I'm in a better position financially, I think I'm actually able to build a collection. But these are the various $2 bills. Whenever I stop at a bank, the local bank, I always try and ask to see if they have any available. And then these I got online, the Bitcoin and 4th of July. Little collection going. But I think when I have $1,000 in $2 bills, I'll be happy. I'll probably still collect them, but I think that's my goal for now. Jefferson is also one of my favorite presidents. And then you got the back, the colored Declaration of Independence. But that's my video. Thank you very much for watching.